Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about how to love a modern woman. Yes guys, it's time to upgrade. Are you new to my channel? Subscribe and you are welcome. Hit on the notifications bell too, so that every time I post a video you get notified here. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Chariba. Thank you, I love you. Let's go. Number 1, spend as much time as you can with her. Whether it's a long distance relationship or the woman is with you, spend time with her. Give her time however busy you are. Fix time. It could be physically or on phone. Fix time for her. It's no longer about the things you can get her. You can buy for her. She can also buy them herself. She can. She is working. She is earning. Be there for her mentally and emotionally. Very serious point. Create memories together with her. Create memorable experiences with her. Whereas the previous generation of women were just contented by the title of being wife, gone are those days, my friend. I know of women, they could even spend months and years without seeing their husbands. The husbands would come once a year, impregnate her and disappear. And he would come back again to impregnate her after she gave birth and the baby is like 2, 3, 4 months old. That is no longer the case. Right now, you have to emotionally be there for this woman. Whether this woman has money or not, you have to give this woman something. Give her. Show that you are generous to her. Show that you are there to give her. Show her that you are ready to support her in the times when she's not financially okay. Show that you will be there. Unlike the old times where women were left to fend for themselves, they were left to dig, they were exploited, they would plant their coffee. Men came and took the coffee, sold it, and went to marry another wife, went to buy clothes and forget them. They were left to raise the kids on their own. Gone are those days. You do that to a woman, you won't find her. Gone are the days when women are allowed to be exploited, to be taken for granted, to not be given, to not be shown love and generosity. Gone are those days. The modern woman will appreciate more the gesture of giving her more than what you have actually given her. That's why I insist, show that you are always ready to give. Give something. Don't mind what it is, just give. The modern woman wants trust, fidelity, friendship, faithfulness, teamwork, partnership, togetherness, more than anything else. Unlike the old days where a woman would be manipulated, would be left behind in the kitchen and in the garden, will not articulate issues. It is not the case today. Loving a modern woman, you're loving a fellow person, a person who can articulate issues, someone you can sit together and discuss and plan. That person values partnership. They value togetherness. That's why they cannot tolerate infidelity. And you know what the good thing is in this? She comes fully equipped as a helper in every sense. She will help you financially and emotionally. She will advise you financially. She will be there for you. She is your partner in raising your children, in being your friend, listening to you, protecting you, praying for you, working with you. That is the modern woman. You can't love the modern woman expecting them to behave like the old times. You cannot love a modern woman expecting her to do all the household chores, cook for you, work for money. When you decide to love a modern woman, you have to decide to give her a break. She's not going to do all these household chores like our ancestors used to do. She won't. Reason being, she is tired like you. She also looks for money like you. She also does a lot to raise your family. So she is not going to do all the household chores. You have to help her. Loving a modern woman, forget describing a slave. A modern woman is not a slave and she will not allow to be enslaved. She has you as a friend and as a partner. Be one. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, hit on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. If you'd like a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. And to order any of our herbal products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Thank you. I love you. I hope you've learned something. Bye.